Hello everyone again. Basically in the previous video I've done a big mistake which you should never repeat. Remember, in the very beginning of this tutorial I explained how using these variables can simplify change of the code in the future, and I actually don't use it. What I mean here, for example, when I use height of the space, I should not say 100, I should say width divided by 3, or height divided by 3, sorry. Similar as here, height divided by 3. And when I'm using assigning the random values to them, I also need to use height divided by 6 and height divided by 6. Right here, height divided by 2. It will allow in the future, when I need to change, if I would like to change the size of the screen, it will automatically change everywhere in the code all these values, and it will all work just great. So now the only thing which is left is to implement collisions in this game. So to do that, first of all, I would want to remove these constants from here back to the main code, as we will need to use them here as well. And let's say let's call it expos of the bird. Therefore we need to change it here. And yep, and that's it. So now we're going back to our main code. And first of all, we need to check whether our bird is between x positioning of the walls. So to do that, we need to write if statement. If x position of the bird is less than x position of the walls plus width of the walls, and at the same time x position of the bird should be greater than position of the wall. And here, once we already checked that our bird is between these two, basically between this corner and this corner, we want to check if its YY position is between accepted frame, or opposite if it's not in accepted range. To do that, we also need to write if statement. But before that, we need to go back to our bird class and implement one more function, which we called float get y. And we need this function in order to get the y of the bird. So this function, we're returning y position of the bird. So going back to our main code, we're writing if bird dot get y is higher than height of the top wall and the plus height of the space, and at the same time, oh no, not at the same time, or bird dot get y is less than height of the top wall. In these cases, we're checking that the bird, I will show you once we're on, is in not allowed range. Why it doesn't like this? Yep. So we're checking if the bird is here or here. Actually hitting